Hello viewers, let's discuss how to teach kids about money management from a young age today. Teaching kids about money management from a young age is crucial for instilling good financial habits and setting them up for future success. Here are some effective strategies for teaching kids about money management. 1. Start early. Introduce basic concepts of money and financial literacy as early as possible. Even young children can begin to understand the value of money through simple activities like counting coins or playing pretend store. 2. Use practical examples. Use real-life examples to teach kids about money management. Take them grocery shopping and explain the concept of budgeting, comparison shopping, and making choices based on needs versus wants. 3. Set a good example. Children learn by observing their parents' behavior, so lead by example. Demonstrate responsible money management habits, such as saving, budgeting, and avoiding impulse purchases. 4. Give allowance. Consider giving children an allowance to teach them about earning and managing money. Encourage them to save a portion of their allowance for future goals and allocate a portion for spending on discretionary items. 5. Teach budgeting. Teach kids the importance of budgeting by helping them set spending limits for different categories, such as toys, treats, and savings. Use clear jars or envelopes labeled with each category to visualize their budget. 6. Encourage saving. Encourage children to save money by setting savings goals and rewarding them for reaching milestones. Help them open a savings account and explain the concept of interest and how their savings can grow over time. 7. Teach delayed gratification. Teach children the value of delayed gratification by encouraging them to save for larger purchases rather than spending impulsively. Help them understand that waiting and saving can lead to greater satisfaction and better long-term outcomes. 8. Discuss needs versus wants. Teach kids the difference between needs and wants to help them make informed spending decisions. Discuss the importance of prioritizing needs like food, clothing, and shelter over discretionary wants. 9. Involve them in financial decisions. Involve children in family financial decisions whenever possible, such as planning vacations, making household purchases, or setting savings goals. Engaging them in the decision-making process helps them understand the value of money and the trade-offs involved. 10. Use games and activities. Make learning about money fun by incorporating games and activities into their education. Board games like Monopoly or the Game of Life can teach valuable lessons about money management, budgeting, and investing. By teaching kids about money management from a young age and empowering them with essential financial skills, you can help set them on the path to financial independence and success later in life.